How to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. Here are the step-by-step fixes for the Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you issue. Before we move on to the fixes, make sure you have the necessary qualifications to access Facebook Marketplace. Age qualification. Facebook Marketplace is available only to those 18 years old and above. If you're in Thailand, you can only access Marketplace if you're 20 years old or above. If you're an adult and can't access Marketplace, then you have to verify your age. Different locations may have different verification methods, according to Facebook. To verify your age, click on your profile on Facebook. Go to Settings and Privacy. Next, select Settings. On the left panel, under Account Center, click on Personal Details. Then, under Account Settings, click on Personal Details. Check whether you've entered your correct birthday. Next, click on Identity Confirmation. You'll be brought to the Identity Confirmation page. Click Get Started and follow the steps. You may need to upload a photo of a valid government-issued ID. Check Marketplace availability. Also, check your geographic location. Facebook Marketplace is not available in all countries or regions. If you're in a country where Marketplace is not supported, you will not see the Marketplace icon or have access to its features. To check if your country is available, visit the Facebook Help page. Wait for activation. If you recently created a new Facebook account, it may take some time for Marketplace access to be activated. If you're 18 or older and live in a supported country, please wait patiently for Facebook to grant you access. Access Marketplace from your main profile. You may have created different profiles in your Facebook account. Try switching to your main profile. This is the profile you created when you first opened a Facebook account. You can't access Facebook Marketplace through a page you created through the main account. Make sure you don't sell prohibited items. If you have items for sale in the Marketplace, ensure they comply with Facebook's commerce policies and community standards. Failure to comply will result in Facebook blocking access to Marketplace. Check the list of unapproved items before you list an item. You can check the Facebook Help website for a list of prohibited items. If you think your item doesn't fall into the prohibited category, you can file an appeal by filling out the Marketplace Item Appeal form.
Simply click the link below to learn more.